Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to make homemade mousse. First, gather your ingredients. About 8 ounces of good quality chocolate, 3 large eggs, 1/4 cup of sugar, and 1 cup of heavy cream. Make sure your eggs and cream are at room temperature. You will also need a double boiler or microwave-safe bowl, and a stand mixer or hand mixer with a whisk attachment. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Next, melt your chocolate. You can use a double boiler or microwave, heating in 30-second intervals, stirring until smooth. While the chocolate cools slightly, separate your eggs. Whip the 3 egg whites in a very clean bowl until they form soft, glossy peaks. This step is crucial for the mousse's airy texture. Set the whipped whites aside carefully as they are delicate. Now, whisk the 3 egg yolks with 1/4 cup of sugar until they are light yellow and fluffy. Gradually fold the slightly cooled melted chocolate into this yolk mixture until fully combined. In a separate bowl, whip 1 cup of heavy cream until it forms soft peaks. Then, gently fold the whipped cream and the egg whites into the chocolate mixture, being careful to maintain the airiness. Finally, spoon your delicious homemade mousse into individual serving dishes or a large bowl. Cover and refrigerate for a minimum of 2 hours, or until it's perfectly set. Before serving, you can garnish with chocolate shavings, fresh berries, or a little extra whipped cream for an elegant touch. This simple recipe yields a rich, decadent dessert that's sure to impress. Remember to check the description for a link to Darn Tough socks and other great deals.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.